Hi there, students. Surplus. A surplus can be an adjective or a noun. As a noun, it can be both countable and uncountable. Let's see. A surplus is when you have more than is needed. Yeah? Maybe you make a budget and you get all of the things that you need and you still have a surplus. You have an amount left over. Yeah, so a surplus, something that is in excess of what is required or what is needed. Yeah, so I gave my son £50 to buy a pair of shoes, but I told him to give me back any surplus. Yeah. Okay, so maybe the shoes cost 35, then the surplus would be 15. It's the amount extra. Yeah, it's the amount that is more than required. Okay, so for example, you could have a company could have surplus capacity. Yeah, it's making 1,000 units a day because the company is selling 1,000 units a day, but it could make 5,000 units per day, so it's got extra capacity. Do you ever have surplus cash? Yeah, cash that is extra, that is over, that is more than you need. Well, it could happen, but it's not common. You could have surplus crops. Yeah, so the amount of food that is eaten is one amount, but the surplus, maybe you've got more than you need. Yeah. If there is surplus labor or a surplus labor force, this talks about unemployment. Yeah, if there are too many people and not enough jobs, then there is surplus labor force. So a surplus, something that is more than needed, yeah, an excess, an abundance or a superabundance of something. Maybe there are a surplus of manual workers available for the jobs. Okay, a surplus, it's something that's extra, it's more than is needed. Yeah, so you have a certain set of requirements, but then you might have things that are surplus to your requirements, is more than than needed. So maybe you have a kit to put something together and you've got screws in it. Maybe there are some extra screws, some surplus screws, in case you lose one. They could be surplus to requirements. Now, if a country has a trade surplus, it means it exports more than it imports. Yeah, so it sells abroad more things than it brings in. If your country has a trade surplus, that's very, very good for the state of the country. Yeah. I believe China has a massive annual trade surplus. Yeah, they export much, much more than they import. A government could have a budget surplus. Well, maybe not. Okay, it means that they managed to do all of the things that they proposed that they were going to do, and they hadn't spent all of it. Yeah, a government that spends less than it receives in taxes has a budget surplus. Most commonly, we have a budget deficit, which is the opposite, where the government spend more than they get in taxes, and that's where we get into trouble. But I think a budget surplus would be a perfect requirement for every government. Yeah, I need to spend what I earn or less, so I need to have a surplus, and I think countries should be run in exactly the same way. Okay, so a surplus, more than is needed. Surplus clothing, surplus equipment, surplus food. Yeah. Um, let's see. If you have a farm, then you need to sell any surplus that you have. Yeah. Okay. So it's something over what more than was needed. So you've fulfilled all of the things that you needed, and you've got some extra. And this is talking about our surplus, the amount more than needed. Yeah, the surplus money that you have. It's when you sold more than you bought. Okay, formality, a surplus. I think I would probably give this what? It's a bit businessy. 6 in formality. I think use anywhere, but it's a touch on the formal side. It's a good business word. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from French, surplus. Yeah. Which is more than needed. Yeah, plus. So on plus. Yeah, more than you actually need. Okay, so a surplus. The surplus, that which remains when you've used everything that you need to use. Yeah, an excess. The amount of the amount of money in the treasury when you don't spend all of the money you get in taxes. Yeah, surplus. More than sufficient, more than necessary. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Surplus.